Hey guys, today we'll be doing a CVT fluid change on a 2015 Honda Civic. Make sure the car is jacked up and level. I don't have a beam leveler, so I use a tape measure to make sure the car is level on all 4 jack points. Pull the hood release lever. Lift up the hood and support it with a hood prop rod. Remove the fill plug on top of the transmission. It's located next to the battery. Remove the metal cover plate with a Phillips or flathead screwdriver. Remove the CVT cover plate with a Phillips or flathead screwdriver. Remove the transmission drain bolt with a male 3/8 socket wrench. Clean the magnetic drain bolt with a clean paper towel to remove the metal shavings. Replace the transmission drain bolt. Remove the check bolt with a 17mm socket. Insert the funnel tube into the fill hole. Fill the transmission with 3.6 quarts of Honda XCF2 fluid until the fluid comes out of the check hole. Replace the check hole bolt and tighten with a 17mm socket wrench. Remove the funnel and replace the fill bolt. Start the car, press the brake pedal firmly, and shift through each of the gears 3 times. Remove the check bolt again with a 17mm socket. Top up with more Honda XCF2 fluid until the fluid comes out of the check hole again. Replace check bolt. Wipe any excess fluid off the transmission. Replace the CVT cover plate. Replace the metal cover plate. Remove the funnel one last time and reinstall the fill plug. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe.